Hi guys, so my wigs came in today, and as you can see, I do not have one on at the moment, but I got them from wigstype.com. I'll put it in the link description below. So go with me and let's see. This is my first order from them. I have a feeling it's not going to be my last. So let's open the box and see these wigs. When I went on YouTube to find videos about wigs and all of this stuff, people would say, oh, I tweezed this or I tweezed that. And I'm thinking, what does that mean? And how exactly do you do it? I mean, I need a simple, fast explanation. So I finally found a video after 2 days of searching. And this is the reason why they tweeze. First of all, tweezing is nothing more than making a small part in the, you can put the wig on your head, making a small part in the wig, like the hairline, holding part of it and tweezing out hairs to make it look more natural. These people do, listen, they do a lot to these wigs to make it seem real. And to me, I'm not going to put that much work into every one of my wigs. I'm not going to tweeze a part. I might, I don't know, but I'm sure I won't. I'm not going to tweeze the part, tweeze the edges. I might do that part of it. But what I'm not going to do is put some concealer in the part. I'm not going to, what else do they do to these wigs? I'm like, listen, first and foremost, your wig ain't real. So, I mean, I know you want it to look real, but at the end of the day, people probably know it's not real in the first place. So why are you going through all these, I don't know, I guess it's the world that we live in, to try to make what's not real, real, or to, you know what I'm saying? Like, you don't have to come out here with the tag showing on your wig, but my God, you ain't got to flip it over, bleach it, bleach the back, bleach this, bleach your own head, you know, all this other stuff. Listen, it's a wig, come on. I just don't have that kind of time. I got 3 kids, I'm a mother, I'm a wife, I'm a friend, I'm a sister, you know, I'm an aunt and all that. And I don't have time to do all that. You know, some of y'all do, and that's okay. But I'm just not going to do it. So let me show you. This is how I tweezed my wig and cut the lace out of it. Now, I've not tried a 360 wig where the lace is all the way through it. And I have not tried a frontal, which means, I guess, a front piece you put on and then you put your bundles in the back. This is just a simple where the lace is in the front. So I'll show you what all I did to my wig, which was not a, y'all don't laugh. This is not my first lace front wig, but I remember the last time I had one. I knew nothing about lace front wigs, how to cut it, how to cut the lace, how to lay it. But anyway, I've been looking at some YouTube videos and I'm going to just, you know, try this on and see how, this is how it comes. see how this goes. This is a lot of hair, and I didn't realize it was so much. And it's hot, so so this is what it looks like inside. It doesn't look like it has baby hairs pulled out, so that's something I have to do, and I don't know how to do it. But don't worry, I will get it done as soon as I watch some more y'all's videos. So anyhow, I'm just gonna try it on. Now I have 2 others to try on, but I'm not gonna do it today. So this is what it looks like. It looks really pretty. I like it. And I will have to tell you all what the price of it was. But all of these wigs were on sale. So, and if you have money in PayPal, they take PayPal. So if you have money just sitting in your PayPal like I do, because the only store I can find that takes PayPal when I walk in is the Dollar General. Is that right? Yeah. So let's see how this goes. Y'all know I got kids, so they're going to be coming in and out. This is supposed to have that part in it, so I don't know anything about lace fronts, but you know what? I'm going to learn. So they say use this stuff called Got to Be Glued. Leave out, Lily.
I want to put on the real Nick Jr. Can I?
Sure. Got to Be Glued. So this is what it looks like. I like the hair. I mean, I just put it on, so I don't really know how it would be, but it looks a lot better than what's on my head. I washed my hair last night, and I put it in plaits and braids so that I could try on my wigs. So I'm excited about them. This one has a comb in the back, so I'm sure I will be cutting this. I'm excited about it. Do you all like it? I like it. I mean, it's not really a wig for summertime. It would be hot. But this is what it looks like in the back. But I mean, you can pull it up, I'm sure. So yeah, I'm excited about it. I'll pull it up, put it in a bun. So I will come back to you guys when I install this wig. There's that part in it. So I like it. Do you all like it? So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for me installing this with the glue and cutting it. And you know what? I can cut it. I can cut this hair. Yeah, it doesn't have to be this long. Like, I could cut it short, you know, have a short style. So here I am in my wig cap. Okay, here's my wig, and when I say it's a front lace, it just means that it just has the lace in the front, not in the back. It has 3 combs in the front and 1 in the back. These little adjustable things. Now for me, I don't think I need an elastic band, so I'm not going to worry about it. So okay, under further inspection, I realized that they have already, and I don't know if you all can see that, but they have already left out some hair around the edges to make it look more natural. Now they didn't leave any baby hair, so I have to do that, but for the most part, I'm going to try my best to cut the lace. Now this is my first time doing this. Cut the lace and lay down my baby hair. So put my comb in. Got my let's see, I'm gonna come and adjust this like where the dips are for my ears. So yeah, this will probably be easy. Might be easier if I tie this hair back. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'll be back. Okay, so I'm basically think, because that's some of my hair too at the edges, but I'm gonna come over it with this lace. So I'm gonna start cutting it. I think I'm gonna cut it not all the way, because I don't really want to cut too much of the lace and then regret it. So let me just, is it hot where y'all are? It's hot where I am. I'm going to cut this part over here. See, that still has so then we're going to, I believe it's some, I'm going to take it off for a minute and see if I can shape up this lace, honey. Y'all can cut it where, when it's on your head, but for me, I need to cut some more of this. Okay, now that I have cut the lace, I'm going to show you all how to glue it down. I've seen many videos of what people use to glue it down. I got the Got to Be Glued Ultra Invincible Gel. I don't know how it works. I'll let you all know. But I think that I need to cut out some baby hair first. So I'm just taking this little comb and trying to take out some baby hairs. I'm not going to use this much. I just need to take it out, you know, sporadically. There's one little piece can go there. That's too much. Supposed to be a tiny, tiny bit. Yeah. And if you were tweezing, which I'm not, you would take this hair and you would go behind and pull out pull out the little baby hairs. But I'm not doing that. So I'm going to, can you tell I don't know what I'm doing? I'm just going to cut this. And then cut it a little jagged, like, you know, like up, down, whatever, you know. And I'm going to do the same for the other side. I'm doing this before I lay it down because I don't want to agitate it once I get it, once I glue it. I don't want to agitate it. You feel me? I just cut it jagged like that. That's what I'm doing. So that I have some little baby hairs. I got some of my own over here, but and I'm gonna cut that again. I don't really want all this. It's hot. I don't want a whole bunch of baby hair. Nor do I want them that long. I think that's enough for now. I'm trying to figure out, should I make a few more over here? Yeah, I'll do that. Pull back my wig. Take a little bit of this gel, put it all along my hairline, and I'm putting quite a bit because I want mine to last 5 days. All along the hairline. Now mind you, I've never done this before, so we're going to see. And then I'm going to take a blow dryer and on cold, blow this until it gets tacky and sticky. So for me, a lot of videos said blow it dry with cold until it gets tacky or whatever, and then but for me, I put so much on it that I had to go. I went and sat in front of the fan because I didn't feel like doing all that. Okay, so we did a little and we made it tacky. So we're gonna do a little bit more on top of it. A little bit more on top of it. And if there's any excess, I can wipe it off. No big deal. I'm not worried about that. Once you put that on, let's just make sure because once we stick it, it's gonna be stuck. And then we're going to pull our wig on top of it. Let's pull this side up as well. And we're going to press down on it. Press down on it while we blow. Down while we blow. I'm going to turn it on high. Oh, are you serious? I mean, I can feel it's gripping right now. That's amazing. And one of the main things for me is because my side was not, I hope I'm in the frame, but anyway, my side was not, it wasn't completely tacky because I put so much on the side. But I'm feeling really good about this because, look how that's stuck. Look at God. Y'all better get it. And see, I'm gonna have to go back and make sure, see, I had to make sure that's stuck. So since this is my first time doing this, and my little side pieces seem like they want to come up, I'm going to take this little stocking cap and I'm going to put it around my head to ensure that my hair stays down. And then I'm going to go sit in front of my fan and let the cool air finish laying down my wig, honey. Let's see. Here we go. And my main focus is the sides. But I'm gonna go ahead and lay down these baby hairs, and then I'm going to tie it up. And we will go from there. What happened to my baby hair over here? What happened to y'all? Come on back.